Okay, this tray is going to be different from my other ones. I'm going to paint a cloudy scene on it, and so I basically just want a neutral kind of white background, and then I'm going to paint over it with acrylics and then put my cross on top of it. I've got about 4.5 ounces of resin, equal parts A and B of the medium viscosity. This is their Cameo Cream from Counterculture DIY Dispersion Color. So we'll just dribble in a little bit and see what happens. And then I'm going to take the Armor Art white pigment I'm going to take some Prolex Micro Pearl. Okay, I've mixed up about 15 ounces of resin. Counterculture, medium viscosity, A and B equal parts. Next, about 6 minutes. I painted with acrylics on top of a layer of resin, which was white, a white pearl color. I didn't want to be able to see through the bottom of it, so it was just a very thin base, and I'm going to embed a white cross in the middle. I want to first though add, I've got some just white holographic glitter. I'm going to sprinkle just a little in to go into the clear, so that there's just a little bit of shimmer throughout the whole clear resin. All this will not go in here. This, I've only got maybe 7 to 8 ounces that I can pour in here. But I've got a mold that I wanted to use the other day. It holds 8 ounces, but I don't want a full 8 ounces. I probably will make a bowl out of this. So I'm going to put the remainder of my resin into that. So I do want to lay the cross in there, and I'm just going to wipe some resin onto the bottom of the cross. Okay, into this I'm going to sprinkle some gold holographic glitter, just a little bit. And I've got some Pink Dazzle chunky glitter from Laura's Art Corner. Not want a lot, I'm just going to put in a little first. I want this to mostly stay around the outer edge, so I'm hoping it will. So the cross keeps floating up. I'm going to have to keep pushing on it to get it to stay. Okay, it's time to reveal. I mean, you already see what it looks like. The cross is actually raised up a little bit, so I'll go ahead and remove it from the mold. I may need to do a flood coat one more time, and I may not, depending on what she wants to use it for, so I'll ask her. So here's the back. It's just a creamy white. I didn't want it to be see-through, and it's not, so that's a good thing. I used the Counterculture dispersion color, so you can see on the side it's half cream and half clear. And then it's a cloudy scene with I painted it to look kind of spiritual, angel wings, kind of like an angel, specifically for this client. She's an angel lover, so I'm hoping she really loves it. So I think it turned out really pretty. So I may do gold on the edges or whatever, and I may not. We'll see what she thinks she'd like to have. So, like I said, the cross is raised just ever so slightly, which I actually kind of like that look. So if you're using it more as like an art piece, it may not need another coat to be level. So I will share what I used in the video, and I love all the glitter. That turned out really pretty. I painted with just decoart acrylics and used their Glamour Dust, which is an ultra fine glitter paint, and went over all the white areas with that. And then I also put holographic glitter into the resin to give it extra sparkle, and then I did it even more, you know, around the edge with the gold leaf and the gold holographic glitter and the pink dazzle, which just had a touch of pink throughout it. So that's all the little sparkle colors that you see there. Isn't that pretty? So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and check out other videos and share with your friends, and I'll see you on the next video. Love you all. Bye bye.